Chapter 20: Famous Battles and Wars in India. India has witnessed numerous significant battles and wars throughout its history, each shaping its cultural and political landscape. Some of the most famous include 1. Battle of Panipat, 1526, fought between Babur and the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi. This battle marked the beginning of Mughal rule in India. Babur's victory established the Mughal Empire, influencing Indian history for centuries. 2. Battle of Plassey, 1757. This pivotal battle between the British East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah, marked the beginning of British dominance in India. Robert Clive's victory laid the foundation for British colonial rule. 3. The Battle of Panipat, 1761. A major conflict between the Maratha Empire and the Afghan invader Ahmad Shah Durrani. This battle weakened the Marathas, leading to the decline of their power and paving the way for British ascendancy. 4. First War of Indian Independence, 1857. Also known as the Sepoy Mutiny or the Indian Rebellion, this widespread uprising against British rule began in Meerut and spread across India. Although it was ultimately suppressed, it marked the beginning of India's struggle for independence. 5. Indo-Pakistan War of 1947-48. This conflict followed the partition of India, resulting in the division of Kashmir between India and Pakistan. Each of these battles played a critical role in shaping India's history and its path toward independence.